Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we will discuss that a square plus 2b is equals to b square plus 2a plus 5, and we have to find the value of b. So let's start with today's video and solve this equation. So a square plus 2b equals b square plus 2a plus 5. So now first step is we separate the variables a to the left side and b to the right side. So here a square minus 2a is equals to b square minus 2b plus 5. So if I'll add 1 to the both sides, it's look like a square minus 2a plus 1 is equals to b square minus 2b plus 1 plus 5. So it looks like a famous identity, that is a minus 1 whole square. And same here, we can write it as b minus 1 whole square plus 5. If I separate both the terms, so a minus 1 whole square minus b minus 1 whole square equal 5. So let assumes that a minus 1 is x and b minus 1 as y. So I can write it as x square minus y square is equals to 5. And we know that we can write it as in place of x square minus y square as x plus y and x minus y. So if I'll directly write it down, we can say that a minus 1 plus b minus 1, and here a minus 1 minus b plus 1 equal 5. So a plus b minus 2, and here minus 1 cancel out the plus 1, only a minus b is left, here 5. And in this question they said that a and b both are positive integer. So a plus b minus 2 and a minus b, we can write it as 5 multiply 1. Because a and b are positive, so we definitely know that the first one is bigger than the second one. Only then they can be positive number, otherwise they will be negative. So a minus b. So if I take the first number, a plus b minus 2 equal 5 and a minus b equal 1. So the value of a is, if I'll find the value of a from this, so this is 1 plus b. So in place of a, I can write 1 plus b here. 1 plus b minus 2 equal 5. So 2b equal 5 plus 1. 2b equals 6, and the value of b is 3. And the value of a is 1 plus 3, that is 4. We have to find the value of b, that is 3. If both the number are positive, this is the only way we can find it, the value. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.